For a long time, scientists have conducted numerous research and studies on how to maintain human physical well-being, focusing on aspects such as food, exercise, and nutrition. However, the central question is often overlooked: what about the brain? The brain is not isolated from the physical well-being that researchers have spent their lives studying because it is profoundly affected by what we eat and drink. Many people are unaware that the brain is significantly influenced by nutrients more than other elements in the body, which has both negative and positive effects on its functions and roles. This is where the book Your Miracle Brain comes in, shedding light on the latest studies in the field of the brain and everything related to its functions and effects. Your Miracle Brain by Carper. There has been a long-standing belief that the brain is just a machine. However, this book challenges this notion and bids farewell to the idea that the brain is merely a machine. The ancient people used to compare the brain to what they had in terms of knowledge, much like a computer made of metal and fixed electronic chips with a large memory and a specific system. However, this comparison is no longer valid in today's world because recent discoveries about the brain have made this description inappropriate. If your needs go beyond what a computer can do, it becomes powerless. It can't add more chips or make any changes to its internal contents. The common belief that the brain is just a machine controlled by various factors and influences is an old belief. Modern research and studies have disproven this and consider it a thing of the past. The brain is a dynamic, ever-changing, complex organ made up of miraculous cells. It interacts with both internal and external influences. Bit to remember, the belief that the brain is just a machine is an outdated notion invalidated by modern science. It's essential to understand that for your brain to maintain good health and transform into a miraculous source of energy, it's important to nourish it with food that aligns with its ancient genetic origins. This food is what the human brain evolved with during the early stages of human development when our ancestors relied on plant roots, hunted animals, and fish as their primary sources of nourishment, long before the advent of agriculture and the radical transformation of societies into historical eras and civilizations. Throughout this journey, the brain developed communication systems based on what fruits, nuts, vegetables, and other natural enzymes contained. It also established mechanisms to protect its cells by relying on natural antioxidants to help it survive, utilizing oxygen-based metabolic systems. This long evolutionary process allowed it to create genes to control vital processes from the nutritional building blocks provided by ancient foods. Hence, genetic structure and daily dietary choices have come together as they should, shaping the brain according to nature's and divine creation's intentions. Bit to remember, the brain needs to be nourished with food that aligns with its ancient genetic origins. Whether you're young or old, dietary supplements are essential for maintaining brain health. To achieve this goal, you need to consume vitamins that support brain functions. They enhance cognitive performance, boost mood and memory, and reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Several scientists specializing in this field have confirmed that the health of your brain and your general well-being was determined by what your mother consumed during pregnancy in terms of vitamins and antioxidants before and during pregnancy. Furthermore, numerous research studies have revealed that providing children with dietary supplements containing vitamins and more significantly increased their intelligence levels. These scientific studies and research highlight the importance of caring for your brain's health. The primary way to achieve this central goal in human life is to consume vitamins that support mental functions. Any aversion to taking these supplements primarily stems from a belief that the brain will not experience any functional decline unless the body suffers from severe and chronic nutritional deficiencies. Bit to remember, dietary supplements are crucial for brain health and cognitive well-being. In many of the definitions that describe niacin, it is referred to as nicotinic acid, which is a B vitamin utilized by the human body to convert food into energy. Niacin plays several crucial roles as it helps maintain the health of the nervous system, digestive system, and skin. It can be obtained through the food we consume, and it's also available as a dietary supplement. What many people don't realize is that niacin has a profound impact on brain health. It acts as a powerful stimulant for energy production within the minuscule cell factories, positioning itself as a significant brain defense mechanism. A shortage of energy leads to a decline in the performance of nerve cells and an accumulation of harmful free radicals, which, in turn, damages and kills cells. To confirm these findings, Dutch scientists at the University of Amsterdam conducted experiments with significant doses of 2 forms of nicotinic acid on 96 healthy adults. Some of them consumed the vitamin, while others took inactive pills for 8 weeks. The results showed that niacin enhanced memory performance by 10% to 40% compared to the inactive pills. Bit to remember, niacin has a significant impact on brain memory health.